Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to blow your minds with 10 life hacks that are gonna change your life. We're talking simple solutions to everyday problems that are gonna make you think, why didn't I think of that? Get ready to upgrade your life with these awesome tips and tricks. If you enjoy these hacks, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Alright guys, let's kick things off with this universal problem: tangled cords. Whether it's your headphones, phone chargers, whatever, we've all been there untangling that mess. But fear no more, because I've got the ultimate solution, the mighty binder clip. That's right, this little office supply is about to become your new best friend. Here's how it works. Take your binder clip and clip it to the edge of your desk, a shelf, or wherever you keep your cords handy. Now, simply thread your cords through the metal loops of the binder clip. Boom! Just like that, you've got your own personalized cord organizer. No more tangled messes, no more frustration. It's organization made easy, and it's gonna save you so much time and hassle in the long run. Plus, it's super cheap and easy to do. You can find binder clips at any office supply store, or probably even lying around your house somewhere. I challenge you guys to try this one out and let me know in the comments how it transforms your cord situation. Trust me, you'll be thanking me later. Okay, next up we're tackling a problem that's super frustrating: stripped screws. You know, when you're trying to unscrew something and the screw is just spinning and spinning but it won't come out, it's enough to make you want to rip your hair out, right? Well, before you reach for the heavy-duty tools, I've got a simple trick that might just save the day. All you need is a rubber band. Yep, you heard that right. That humble rubber band in your drawer is about to become your new DIY hero. Here's the deal. Take your rubber band and place it over the head of the stripped screw. Now, using your screwdriver, press down firmly on the screw while turning it. The rubber band provides extra grip and fills in the gaps created by the stripped screw head, allowing the screwdriver to get a better grip. With a little bit of pressure and some elbow grease, that stubborn screw will come loose, and you'll be back to your project in no time. It's like magic. So next time you're battling a stripped screw, don't panic. Just grab a rubber band and watch this hack work its wonders. Alright, let's be real. Who here has hammered their thumb at least once in their life? Yeah, me too. It's like a rite of passage in the world of DIY, right? But what if I told you there's a way to hammer nails with confidence without risking your precious fingers? Enter the clothespin. Yep, that's right. This laundry essential is about to become your new hammering buddy. Here's the trick. Instead of holding the nail in place with your fingers, use a clothespin to grip it. The clothespin acts as a shield, keeping your fingers safely out of harm's way while you hammer away. This hack is especially helpful for small nails, or when you need to hammer in a tight space where it's difficult to get a good grip. Plus, it gives you more leverage and control, making it easier to hammer the nail straight. So ditch the fear of hammering and say hello to pain-free DIY projects with this simple yet genius clothespin hack. Chapter 4. Banish cord confusion, the bread clip code. Okay, let's talk about another cord-related dilemma, because let's face it, cords can be the bane of our existence. This time, we're tackling the mystery of unidentified cords. You know, when you've got a whole bunch of cords plugged in behind your TV or computer and you have no idea which cord goes to what? Well, fear not, my friend, because the solution is in your pantry. That's right, we're talking bread clips. These little plastic wonders are about to become your new best friend in the battle against cord confusion. Here's the hack. Grab a bunch of bread clips in different colors. Now label each clip with the name of the device it corresponds to. For example, you could have a clip labeled TV, another labeled Blu-ray player, and so on. Once you've labeled your clips, simply attach them to the corresponding power cords. And just like that, you've got a color-coded, easily identifiable cord system. No more unplugging the wrong thing and causing a tech meltdown. It's organization made easy, and it's gonna save you a ton of headaches in the long run. Chapter 5. Zipper emergency, paperclip to the rescue. We've all been there. You're about to head out the door, you go to zip up your favorite jacket or backpack, and bam, the zipper breaks. Talk about a major fashion emergency. But don't panic, because I've got a quick and easy fix that will save the day: the trusty paperclip. That's right, this little office supply hero is about to come to your rescue once again. Here's how it works. Take a regular-sized paperclip and unbend it so that it forms a long, straight piece of metal. Now thread one end of the paperclip through the hole in the zipper slider. Once you've threaded the paperclip through, bend it into a loop to secure it. And there you have it. You've just created a temporary zipper pull that will hold your zipper in place until you can get it properly fixed. Chapter 6. Wrapping paper. Wrangling, the toilet paper roll trick. It's time to tackle a problem that plagues us all during gift-giving season: unruly wrapping paper. You know how it goes, you carefully unwrap a gift, trying your best to keep the paper intact for next year, but it always seems to unravel and become a crinkled mess. Well, fret no more because I've got a simple solution that will keep your wrapping paper neat and organized. Toilet paper rolls. Yep, you heard that right. Those cardboard tubes we usually toss in the recycling bin are about to become your new wrapping paper best friends. Here's the trick. Once you've finished a roll of toilet paper, don't throw away the cardboard tube. Instead, save it and slip it over your roll of wrapping paper to prevent it from unrolling. The cardboard tube acts as a barrier, keeping the paper in place and preventing those annoying wrinkles and tears. It's such a simple hack, but it makes a world of difference when it comes to storing your wrapping paper. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose something that would normally end up in the trash. Chapter 7. Soap Saver, the Sponge Stand. Okay, let's talk about soap for a second. Have you ever noticed how bar soap tends to get mushy and dissolve faster if it sits in water? It's like it's slowly melting away before your very eyes. Well, I've got a simple solution that will extend the life of your bar soap and save you money in the long run: the sponge stand. That's right, we're using a humble sponge to create a soap sanctuary. Here's the trick. Grab a new sponge and designate it as your official soap stand. Place the sponge in your soap dish and then place your bar soap on top of the sponge. The sponge acts like a little absorbent platform, lifting the soap out of any standing water and allowing it to dry thoroughly between uses. This prevents the soap from becoming mushy and helps it last much longer. Plus, it keeps your soap dish cleaner too. Chapter 8. Strawberry Stem Remover, the Straw Trick. Strawberries are one of the most delicious and versatile fruits out there. But let's be honest, hulling them can be a bit of a pain. You know, trying to cut out that little white core without sacrificing too much of the juicy fruit? Well, I've got a game-changing hack that will make hulling strawberries a breeze: the straw trick. That's right, a simple drinking straw is about to become your new secret weapon in the kitchen. Here's how it works. Grab a straw and position it at the bottom of the strawberry, where the stem is. Apply gentle pressure and push the straw upwards through the center of the strawberry. The straw will push the stem and core out through the top, leaving you with a perfectly hulled strawberry. It's so quick, easy, and satisfying. Plus, it's a fun trick to impress your friends and family with your newfound strawberry hulling skills. Chapter 9. Condiment King, the Muffin Tin Method. Let's be real, condiments make everything better. Burgers, hot dogs, fries, you name it. But when it comes to serving condiments at parties or gatherings, things can get a little messy. Multiple bottles and jars cluttering up the table, spills happening left and right. It's enough to give anyone a condiment-induced headache. But fear not, my friend, because I've got the ultimate solution to keep your condiments organized and your guests happy: the muffin tin method. That's right, we're using a humble muffin tin to create a condiment station that's both practical and visually appealing. Here's how it works. Grab a muffin tin and fill each individual cup with a different condiment. You can have ketchup, mustard, relish, onions, pickles, jalapenos. The possibilities are endless. This way, your guests can easily see all of their options and choose exactly what they want without having to dig through a jumbled mess of bottles and jars. Chapter 10. Jar Opening Champion, the Rubber Glove Grip. We've all faced the frustration of a stubborn jar lid that just won't budge. You twist and turn, grunt and groan, but that lid remains firmly sealed. It's enough to make you want to give up and live a life devoid of pickles, jams, and other jarred delights. But before you toss that jar across the room in a fit of rage, I've got a simple solution that will give you the grip of a superhero: the rubber glove method. That's right, a simple rubber glove is all you need to conquer those stubborn lids. Here's how it works. Put on a rubber glove, preferably one with a textured surface for extra grip. Now, try opening the jar again. The rubber glove provides increased friction between your hand and the lid, making it much easier to twist it open. It's like magic. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed these 10 mind-blowing life hacks. Which hack was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Seriously, go try these out and let me know which ones you loved. And hey, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. We've got a ton of awesome content coming your way. See you in the next video.